How to watch video on Pinterest. This tutorial will guide you on how to watch videos on Pinterest using the Pinterest Watch feature. Whether you're new to Pinterest or familiar with the platform, this guide will help you discover, enjoy, and interact with video content ranging from cooking tutorials to fashion tips. So let's get started. So first, open the Pinterest app. While we are in the Pinterest app, log in first. It's up to you on how you want to log in your account. For example, I choose to continue with Google, so I tap on it and do the credentials to access the Pinterest app. Now that I created an account using Google, just tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen to search for videos. Now that we are in the search tab, just type the video you want to search. I'll just type a video so that we can proceed to the next step. Now, I just choose and tap some random videos to see the result. As you can see, I can watch the video right now after I logged in to my account using Google Social Media. You now have the tools to explore and enjoy video content on Pinterest effectively by navigating to Pinterest Watch, interacting with video pins, and saving your favorites. You can enhance your experience on the platform. Start exploring today and don't hesitate to share interesting finds with your friends.